Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to create a contact form in WordPress. First, you'll need to select a reliable plugin. Options like WP Forms, Contact Form 7, and Ninja Forms are very popular choices, each offering robust features. Once you've made your selection, simply install and activate the plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. This initial step is crucial for setting up your form successfully and efficiently. After activating your plugin, navigate to its settings to begin building your form. You can easily drag and drop various fields, such as name, email, and message, into your form layout. Remember to customize field labels and placeholders for clarity, and mark essential fields as required. Adjusting the styling to match your website's aesthetic ensures a seamless user experience. Next, configure your form settings, especially email notifications, so you receive every submission at your chosen address. You can also set up a custom confirmation message or redirect users to a thank you page after submission. Don't forget to implement spam protection, like reCAPTCHA, to keep unwanted entries at bay. All submitted entries will be conveniently managed within your WordPress dashboard. Finally, it's time to embed your newly created contact form onto your website. You can easily do this by using a shortcode or a block editor, placing it prominently on your contact page. After embedding, thoroughly test the form by submitting a few entries yourself. This ensures that email notifications are working correctly and all submissions are being saved as expected, providing a smooth experience for your visitors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.